So now, because celebrity marketing has become so important and you're anchoring the Pioneer course, tell us what will be the course action and how we will be equipping and honing our skills, and what do you expect out of this pilot batch that you're anchoring?
Okay, interesting. See, I am not sure. Okay, there's no precedence for this kind of course. I was very excited when Professor Jacob actually asked me to do something like this. I did a bit of research. My background is mostly into structuring organizational directions, etc. So I felt that I look at this course from a point of view how it impacts the overall organization growth, which in terms talks about how you invest and how you reap the returns. So I think that's my focus. That if the students understand that this is not just a dipstick ad hoc kind of decision, there's a rationale behind it and how it impacts the overall, margins and product acceptance, or whatever scale of the organization. I think that's where it's enough, because from an industry point of view, you do not want the student to be very theoretical and give me an answer which a Kotler would give in a theoretical scenario. You live in India, which is an emerging economy where people are investing, the margins are booming, the market is slightly in a structured manner. And hence, if the batch students gets a perspective to the nature of the way organizations function, and they tell us that, how, see, sports and celebrity are a bigger part of our experiential marketing landscape.
True.
And unless whatever we design at a top level gets replicated down well and is accepted, it really has no meaning, and hence we are closing the loop. So we starting from marketing strategy to making sure the media plan, the creative content gets ready accordingly and gets executed on ground. So I think that last part is something which I plan to add little value to, and I am assuming things will be okay as and when I progress with you guys.
I think it'll be great, not just okay, I'm sure we're very keen on this course. Now, how important is celebrity management industry, considering the fact that the tab is always on celebrities and their positioning, their image is so fragile because they're always under the scanner with social media, etc. So what role do organizations like y'all play, and how can we equip ourselves to be a part of this industry?
See, there's no serious research on this, but we have done a dipstick that almost 80% of media content on public space, which is television, radio, etc., is celebrity driven. When you say 80%, globally the percentage is around 19. So a 19% global average to a 80% India average means that you want to eat what a Shah Rukh Khan eats, you want to drive what a Salman Khan drives, you want to do everything what a celebrity does. 1.2 billion people will need a few reasons to channelize them, and those reasons have to be emotional. And emotions typically are not driven by product attributes, product science, product life cycle. They are driven by people who talk to people. And hence, spokespersons are always important. We consider that if celebrity management is done the right way, it can be outstanding results. And it's a very simple analogy. If you want to reach from A point to B point in terms of brand acceptance and growth, in a set time, the traditional laws of marketing works very well. So you establish market, benchmark market, introduce product, get acceptance, change the product, etc., etc. But when you want to hasten the process, because there are 15 set of competition who have already reached the second stage, and you want to reach there faster, you want your product launched yesterday to be on top of mind recall today. And that's only possible when you have spokesperson for people who talk to these people on a regular basis. And hence that emotional connect, that fact that, okay, I believe this brand, and I'm sure this brand is doing good for me, which in a typical marketing parlance will take a couple of years. Having that done in a day is something which celebrity marketing does. And hence, it's a very tricky one. So if you choose the wrong way of representing it, or you portray a wrong sense of belongingness, there have been case studies, and I would love to talk about them as we talk about, which have worked disastrous for brands and have done wonders for brands. And the interesting part is that there is no factor benchmarking here. So celebrity, as you rightly said, have got controversies. I've actually been a part of a lot of discussions on controversy on celebrities, and so a decision which is based on a celebrity life cycle, where the assumption is that I'm banking on celebrities' credibility rather than what they do on day-to-day life, makes a lot of difference. And hence, in 90s there were days where the Bollywood and cricket was all. Now we're talking about chefs, we're talking about authors, we're talking about TV personalities, we're talking about so many people who impact on a day-to-day basis. And with a brilliant mix working with a billing rate of, let's say a couple of dollars to a couple of $1 billion at stake and a corresponding amount on media, I think this is the single biggest decision a marketing guy takes in their life for a single instance. And when you can impact that and you can positively influence, and I think the course is like that.
Sure. Last question. So this is the only course, this is the only college that's offering such an exciting course. So what is your message to students who want to pursue this field, this line of interest?
See, this course is just a peg in the wheel, but a very important peg. And now that I'm getting into more of celebrity engaging, international benchmarking, I realize that this is something of which a formal education is very important, from the very fact that a country which has got 1 in every 6 people in the world impacts media decision of almost every big conglomerate of the world.
True.
Having no formal education in this can be a recipe for disaster. So if you need to really add value content and deliver that kind of delivery to kind of the people who are sitting in the various echelons of marketing, this has to happen. And I'm sure a lot of other colleges will take precedence from this, and I'm sure the new students who are pursuing this course will have an immense benefit because of being the front runners in this community.
Sure, we will. Thank you so much for anchoring this subject. We are so excited about